Madhubani, a style of folk painting, is famous in which state? A. Gujarat, B. Bihar, C. Rajasthan, D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is B. Bihar. Name the continent that form mirror image of each other. A. Asia and Africa, B. North America and South America, C. Europe and Asia, D. Africa and South America. The correct answer is Africa and South America. The SI unit of mechanical power is watt, B. Newton, C. Hertz, D. Volt. The correct answer is watt. Which vitamin has a role in blood clotting? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin E, D. Vitamin K. Correct answer is D. Vitamin K. When is World Health Day is celebrated? A. May 7, B. March 7, C. October 22, D. April 7. The correct answer is April 7. Who was the first lady to receive Dadasaheb Phalke Award? A. Kannan Devi, B. Devika Rani, C. Durga Kote, D. Lata Mangeshkar. The answer is B. Devika Rani. Which is the highest freestanding mountain in the world? A. Mount Kilimanjaro, B. Mount Fuji, C. Mount Makalu, D. Mount Denali. The answer is A. Mount Kilimanjaro. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and A. Lipids, B. Vitamins, C. Minerals, D. Proteins. The answer is D. Proteins. Gandikota Canyon of South India formed by which river? A. Pennar, B. Kaveri, C. Krishna, D. Periyar. The answer is A. Pennar. Renuka wetland is in which state? A. Punjab, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Rajasthan. The answer is B. Himachal Pradesh. In which year Bangladesh was formed as a separate country? A. 1973, B. 1971, C. 1975, D. 1972. The answer is B. 1971. In India, air transport was nationalized in which year? A. 1954, B. 1953, C. 1957, D. 1956. The answer is B. 1953. The term bogey is related to which sport? A. Squash, B. Golf, C. Baseball, D. Tennis. The answer is B. Golf. Pushtas grassland is located in which country? A. Denmark, B. Greenland, C. Finland, D. Hungary. The answer is D. Hungary. Which device is used for counting blood cells? A. Hemocytometer, B. Hemaglutinometer, C. Spirometer, D. Coagulometer. The answer is A. Hemocytometer. Which strait connects Atlantic and Pacific Ocean? A. Strait of Magellan, B. Strait of Mackinac, C. Strait of Messina, D. North Channel. The answer is A. Strait of Magellan. Which is the longest canal in the world? A. Panama Canal, B. Grand Canal, C. Erie Canal, D. Suez Canal. Answer is B. Grand Canal. Who was known as father of Indian rupee? A. Akbar, B. Chandragupta, C. Asoka, D. Sirsa Suri. The answer is D. Sirsa Suri. What is the name of the boundary line between USA and Canada? A. 38 parallel, B. 49 parallel, C. 47 parallel, D. 26 parallel. The answer is B. 49 parallel. When Government of India launched Project Tiger? A. 1972, B. 1974, C. 1971, D. 1973. The answer is D. 1973. Gatka is a martial art of which state? A. Kerala, B. Punjab, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Assam. The answer is B. Punjab. From which country the method of impeachment of the President of India is adapted from? A. USSR, B. France, C. UK, D. USA. The answer is D. USA. What is called a study of bird's egg? A. Ornithology, B. Oology, C. Herpetology, D. Entomology. The answer is B. Oology. Gandhiji's first satyagraha in India was held at A. Surat, B. Champaran, C. Lucknow, D. Kedah. The answer is B. Champaran. United Nations declared 2024 as International Year of A. Camelids, B. Nutrition, C. Millets, D. Protein. The answer is A. Camelids.